Hey guys, it's Allie, senior artist for Sephora Hollywood and Highland, and today I'm going to show you how I like to prep my dry skin for a dewy, glowy look that will last all day. So if you've been wondering how to get a luminous complexion, or if like me, you just want to go makeup free and still feel fresh, stay tuned because it's all about the way you prep your skin. So first thing I'm going to do is cleanse my skin with Tatcha, the Deep Cleanse. So with this cleanser, you want to start on damp skin. So I just dampen my skin and pour about a dime size amount into my hand and just massage it all over. As you can see, it feels really good. This cleanser actually has a gentle exfoliating property. The key ingredient is the Japanese loofah fruit, and that's why I love this cleanser. It's a very gentle exfoliant that is known for its clarifying and moisturizing properties, so it's gentle enough to use every day, and it doesn't dry my skin out. However, this cleanser is also really ideal for someone who is more oily to combination. It's an oil-free cleanser and more of a gel consistency, but it's great for unclogging the pores and increasing cell turnover. I'm just rinsing the cleanser off. Of course, at home, it's going to be even quicker and easier with a sink. And then after you remove the cleanser, you just want to be sure to pat dry. My skin feels really refreshed already. Okay, so the next step is to tone my skin with Ren Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic. I love this product. I'm kind of mildly obsessed with it. This product is vegan and cruelty-free, and even Ren's packaging is recyclable, which makes me love the brand even more. This toner is going to really help set me up for that glow I'm going for in my complexion. It exfoliates and brightens with alpha hydroxy acids, specifically lactic acid and willow bark extract, which I love. After much trial and error, I have discovered that my skin responds really well to lactic acid, and willow bark extract is really great to calm and soothe the skin. So my next step is Fresh Black Tea Kombucha Facial Treatment Essence. An essence is a must-have, and this has become my current favorite. The kombucha essence from Fresh enhances luminosity in the skin while softening texture. It also helps to replenish hydration. You basically just want to pour a little bit into the palm of your hands and then push it into the skin. I always make sure to carry it down my neck as well. Okay, so this is where I really get most of my glow. It is the Lancôme Énergie de Vie, the Smoothing and Glow Boosting Liquid Moisturizer. The consistency is very lightweight, but it's still concentrated, so I consider it more my treatment serum. It does instantly boost my glow. It gives me that dewiness I'm going for straight away. You can start to see the light bouncing off of this product. It's also very antioxidant rich, so it's great for environmental protection as well. Okay, we can't forget about the eyes, and this is probably my favorite product of all. So this is OLEHENRIKSEN Banana Bright Eye Creme. I'm obsessed with this product, you guys. So probably one of my biggest concerns is my under eyes. I have hereditary dark circles. My eyes are very sensitive and I have allergies, so they're often puffy. And this is really the most ideal eye cream for makeup prep. Banana Bright is rich with vitamin C, so it's going to help brighten. But it's also inspired by banana powder, so it gives that instant brightness while also preventing creasing of your concealer. So super perfect for skin prep. It's safe for all the way around the eye, so I bring it all the way around the eye, and I actually also put it in my laugh lines to give a little bit of luminosity and plumpness in that area so my makeup won't crease or settle. Oh boy, you guys. This is Kate Somerville EXFOLIKATE Glow Moisturizer, and it is really the key to getting that lit from within look. So it does have a mild exfoliation. It has a combination of AHAs in there, as well as what she calls the 3 Ps, so pineapple, pumpkin, and papaya enzymes. Enzymes are great to dissolve any dead skin on the surface, revealing that bright, luminous skin underneath. So I also love the consistency of this moisturizer. It does feel really hydrating as soon as you put it on the skin, but it's still lightweight, so it doesn't ever disagree or give me any trouble with my makeup. Also, you'll notice as I apply it to the high points of my face first. Because it is so luminous, I'm already building in that highlight that I'm going to want in my makeup later on. Okay, so you can't forget about the lips. This is Farmacy Honey Butter Beeswax Lip Balm. It really leaves your lips feeling pillowy soft, and it fills in any fine lines that you might be concerned about to help smooth the lip. It's infused with antioxidants and essential oils to keep your lips hydrated and smooth all day long. Okay, and my very last step is Dr. Jart Every Sunday UV Sun Fluid Broad Spectrum SPF 30. SPF is the #1 thing you all have to be putting on your skin, but especially if you're going to follow the routine I showed you today, SPF is an absolute must-have because a lot of those exfoliating alpha hydroxy acids and enzymes makes your skin more sensitive to sun damage. I personally love this one for makeup prep because it's so lightweight, it does not leave that greasy feel, and it really preps so beautifully for makeup. It never fights with my primer or my foundation. Perfect. Now that my skin is feeling fresh and glowy and smooth and hydrated, it's time to let my hair down and get ready for the day. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video inspires you to shine on and glow get 'em, girl. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and be sure to subscribe to Sephora's YouTube channels for more videos. If you want to keep up with me and my artistry, you can follow me at adt.artistry.